On our agenda during the week, you will see we have a fashion show. What does fashion have to do with Global Entrepreneurship Week? You will see special designers, young people who design clothes and other things for the society. Because businesses, they produce products and services to make us a better society. On a more global level, during the Global Entrepreneurship Week, we have invited the chairman of the Global Entrepreneurship Network. If you Google Global Entrepreneurship Network, you can see how big this organization is. Jeff Hoffman will be coming to Curacao and will give a lunch, a fundraising lunch on the 29th. Because this week, because we had so many activities during our week, which is from the 14th until the 20th, we had to expand the week more days. So cooperation is very important. Partnerships is very important. That's the reason we partnered up with the Global Entrepreneurship Network. How can we create partnership to design products and services that can improve the lives of many people in Curacao, in the Dutch Caribbean, in the Dutch Kingdom, or even in the whole world? I think we need more entrepreneurs, more entrepreneurship. If we want to change the world and make it a better place, we just need more creative people. And entrepreneurs are like that. They are creative. That's why they create businesses that we all need. I hope that during this Global Entrepreneurship Week, we can learn from each other. And above all, inspire each other to create more well-being for our citizens. Thank you.